Disconnect the AC adapter from the computer. Power on the system and continuously tap F1 to enter the BIOS. If you receive a General Help window, press Enter to continue. Use the right arrow key to select the configuration menu. Use the down arrow key to highlight the Power menu, and press Enter. The Power submenu will be displayed. Use the down arrow keys to highlight the Disable Built-in Battery option, and press Enter. Assure that Yes is highlighted and hit Enter again to power off the system. Allow your system 3 to 5 minutes to cool before you open up the cover. Loosen the 8 captive screws that secure the base cover. Use a non-metallic pry tool to detach the locking clips and remove the cover. Disconnect the battery cable from the system board. Remove 3 retaining screws. Lift the battery up to remove it. Lower the internal battery into place using the screw holes for alignment. Install 3 retaining screws. Connect the battery cable to the system board. Align the base cover with the ports of the system. Press the cover down to engage the locking clips. Tighten 8 captive screws. Connect the AC adapter to the system. Turn on the computer to automatically enable the internal battery.